Hey guys! As you can see, I'm in my new humble abode. Guys, remember I was in a bedroom transformation? Well, my bedroom is now transformed and this is my new bedroom. I'm joking guys, I'm at my friend Khadija's house. She kindly let me record in her house. Today, I decided that I would do something fun because I don't do fun things on my channel. I normally do like vlogs and stuff like that, but I thought I'd do something fun. I don't really drink, not a big drinker. So I thought I'll do the truth or drink challenge and my two friends, Sash and Khadija. You guys gonna say hi?
Hi.
My friends Sash and Khadija are gonna ask me 10 questions each, so 20 questions overall. And I have to either tell them the truth to the question or drink because they don't need to know the answer. So, I hope you guys enjoy this video and let's get to it. Yeah, one question each, and I have my double stews head. I actually don't have that much, but hopefully I don't need to drink that much.
I've got some on it, so it's fine. I'm not gonna lie, I think I should pour your shots.
Oh no, my shot's already done, it's fine.
That's not even a shot, is that a shot?
It is, it's a shot.
I will allow you to drain now.
It's a shot,
That is big, I think that's big. No, you know when shot is the size of that.
Oh, I'm also gonna chase it down with drink. Because I can't guys, okay?
It's got a Coke.
I got my Coke ready and everything guys, I can't die today, please, come on.
What's the number one thing that you would never want your parents to find out about you?
The number one thing? Probably that I slept with a girl. Yeah.
Okay.
Well, my mum does watch my video on my YouTube channel, so I don't mind.
What? Your mum's a hater. So are you going into detail about your answers, or is it just on to the next question?
I mean, you got details.
Yeah, let's go. Fuck it.
Well,
10 marks.
I slept with a girl. I slept with a couple girls before, actually. Slept with a couple girls. And that's like couple girls. I mean, couple girls. Couple. You know, couple.
Okay.
Yeah, couple.
Okay.
2 girls. Slept with 2 girls. One was white, one was black. And yeah, we just, you know.
What, a threesome?
No. It's different times.
Okay.
And yeah, we just did what girls do. You know, went down on each other, had a bit of fun. Yeah.
Okay. Did you enjoy it? About you?
Yeah, definitely a bit me.
What's your biggest turn on?
I don't know because a lot of things turn me on actually. So I can't say. I can't really answer that. What turns me on? Oh. I don't know. I love a good smile. That can turn me on, you know. A good smile. A good smile from a guy. Oh yeah. It's just over. A guy who listens to me, that's one, because the guys I've been speaking to just tend to care about themselves and only themselves. So a guy who tends to take like my feelings into consideration and all that kind of stuff, that shit, what? River flowing down there.
So what's your biggest turn off?
Just unnecessary rudeness. Yeah, unnecessary rudeness.
Smell? Someone who doesn't.
Oh, someone who doesn't take care of themselves, the hygiene, all that kind of stuff. Oh yes, yes, all that stuff, guys. Yes,
that is important.
Important, guys. Who
I can wash 2 times a day.
And the shoes. If your shoes are on point, don't get me wrong, my shoes are never on point, but that doesn't matter. If your shoes are not on point, it's over. What are you doing? Who are you talking to? Because it's not me.
What was the last thing you cried over?
Oh, I can't say. I don't want to say on camera.
Sorry.
Oh, okay.
Go. Woy. God, I need a magnum. I'm ready to get the fuck.
ASAP.
What is your most outrageous sexual fantasy?
I
Let me hear this now.
would like a train around me.
A what?
A train.
A what?
A train.
Why, Ado? And how many carriages does this train have?
I think it's just like 3, 4.
3, 4.
Oh my god, back to back.
You want passengers, right? Wow. Wow. What, if any, amount of money would you be willing to have sex with a stranger for? Go on, babe.
No, but it's a sticky one though, because you can't measure. I can't put a price on my pussy.
She did.
I'd rather take a shot. No, because you can't put a price on your pussy. I don't want to say 20 grand. If someone would offer me 50, I think it's dying.
Nice.
So I need some tissue.
Oh shit. Good. What's the most desperate thing you've done because you were horny?
Pardon me, sorry. Desperate thing.
Desperate thing.
Nothing, to be honest. If I'm desperate and I'm horny, there's nothing I can do about it. Really.
I don't know. What's the furthest you've gone sexually with a member of the same sex?
Well, we know now.
Yeah, it's true.
And then just ate her out, fingers, all that kind of stuff. Yeah. Never used toys before. Never done that before.
What's the most illegal thing you've ever done?
I could smoke weed.
That's the most illegal thing you've ever done?
Yeah.
Right, sorry, criminal.
Okay.
Which sexual act are you worst at?
What do you mean? As in...
Like, are you shit at sucking dick? Are you
Shit at riding?
Yeah. Are you bad in doggy? Are you boring? You don't bend your back and rock your knees?
No one needs to know what happens when I'm having sex.
What did you say?
No one needs to know what happens when I'm having sex, so...
Which sexual act are you best at?
Giving the head. Sorry.
Oh shit.
Yeah, I'm good at giving the head, guys.
It's on there, it's shaking now.
Yeah, it's true.
Oh wait.
How do you know you're good? Have you had compliments or you just
Definitely
know?
had compliments.
Oh, okay.
But how
I
many
definitely get my feedbacks back.
And the feedback's positive, yeah?
Always.
And
Maybe just one, but we don't need to speak about him.
one feedback?
No, not one feedback. I'm just saying just one feedback that was not negative, but it's like you could do something better. You know? I told you.
I hear you, I spec
I
it.
told you guys already.
Sometimes constructive criticism is necessary.
Yeah, definitely.
Sometimes it's not even needed. Oh wait.
These times you're the one taking the criticism. Anyway, we move.
You get boxed in your face, shouldn't it? Answer the question.
Why did you slap me? Why did you slap me?
Of self-defense.
From what?
From you threatening to
Don't
both me.
fucking talk. What's the dirtiest thing a partner's ever asked you to do?
Drinking some alcohol.
She said, can't speak about that. Tell me if you had.
What's the worst sex you've ever had?
What do you mean worst sex? That person or?
Like just the worst experience, like
Overall. in
Yeah.
general.
if you can think back to any time you've had sex, be like, that one was awful. What was it?
That was just the last guy I slept with. I mean, it wasn't awful, but
Or was it the best?
yeah, it wasn't the best. I mean, it was just the things that I was asked to do. So,
What did you say?
it was just the things that I was asked to do.
Oh.
So, yeah.
The least amount of time you've known someone before sleeping with them.
Couple of days. Yeah, so a couple of days.
Okay.
Couple of days.
What's the longest you've gone without showering?
3 days.
Go on, babes.
No,
Okay.
not Guam, babe.
That's
And
not
it's
okay.
disgusting.
I don't care, guys. I was depressed. Ain't no one gonna tell me what's disgusting and what's not.
It's disgusting. You're gonna wash your skin.
I will wash my skin when my depression has gone.
No,
That's what I will do.
You're not gonna smell like that.
Don't tell me you were in my house when I was thinking.
Yeah, but I can imagine it.
But showering makes you feel good when you're
That's what I'm
upset.
saying. That's why I'm saying you should shower. You can't be depressed in a black room.
You can.
Okay. Something you've done while drunk that you would never do while sober.
I'm the same person when I'm drunk. Just
No,
that
you're
so-
not.
I am. I'm the same person when I'm drunk as I'm the same person when I'm sober. It's just that when I'm drunk, I'm more louder and I guess I'm more raunchy. I would
So you're not the
say.
same person.
I am the same person.
I can remember a few drunken voice notes, a few drunken people, a few drunken nights. But yeah, we move.
What is your biggest sexual regret?
Losing my virginity. Only and only because I just want sex all the time. So it's like, oh, and I can't get sex all the time. So yeah, just losing my virginity. Yeah.
What's the most scandalous location you've had sex in?
I always have sex in the bedroom. Oh, I did have it in the living room once, so I guess the living room.
Okay.
What's the most disgusting habit you have?
I don't know, I guess sucking my thumb. I don't know if that's disgusting.
You dirty baby.
Don't know if it's disgusting, but I still suck my thumb. Yes, I know. Yeah, I still suck my thumb. So yeah, that's all.
Oh.
Alright guys, that's the end of this video. Hope you
We might as
guys...
well do that last shot for the culture.
You guys.
No, you.
What shot am I going to do? There's nothing in here.
There's a little bit in
The
that
drink
red
is
bottle.
finished, remember?
No, I'm saying that bottle.
I mean, this was my bottle at the end of
Yeah,
the
okay, might as well
day.
finish
That's
that one.
Khadijah's bottle at the end of the day.
You might as well finish it.
Oh,
Might as well
finish
back it.
what?
You can't put that back in
Guys,
the drawer.
I'm sweating. I am
You
already...
can't put that back in the drawer.
Oh,
Ade.
wow, I'm already sweating as it... Oh my god.
That cough was not nice.
That was not nice.
Okay guys, hope you guys have enjoyed this video. And yeah, just thought I'd do something fun for you guys on my channel. But yeah, I'm not sure when this is going to be up. But if it's up before the New Year, well, if it's up after the New Year's, then Happy New Year's guys. And if it's not, then... But thank you for watching guys. Hope you guys have enjoyed this video. And I guess I'll see you guys next time. So
You should, don't you have...
deuces.
Oh, sorry.